Imagine a world painted in every shade of green, where the air you breathe is thick with the scent of damp earth and blooming flowers. As the first rays of sunlight pierce through the dense canopy, the rainforest begins to stir, a symphony of life awakening. Golden light dances on leaves still sparkling with morning dew, and a soft, warm mist rises from the forest floor. This magical place, pulsating with energy, is home to an incredible array of creatures, each playing its part in this intricate web of life. High above, in the treetop kingdom, a kaleidoscope of color takes flight. Parrots, with feathers like scattered rainbows, stretch their wings and fill the air with their raucous calls. They are the acrobats of the canopy, flying from branch to branch with incredible grace. With their powerful beaks, they crack open the toughest nuts and seeds, their sharp eyes spotting ripe fruit hidden amongst the lush foliage. They are nature's jewelers, decorating the high branches with flashes of red, blue, and yellow. Swinging through this same leafy metropolis is a lively family of monkeys. Their laughter echoes as they chase each other through the branches, using their long, agile arms and strong, prehensile tails to navigate their aerial playground. They are the forest's gardeners, feasting on fruits, leaves, and insects. As they move, they inadvertently spread seeds, dropping bits of fruit to the ground below, helping to sow the next generation of trees and plants. Their playful antics bring a sense of joy and boundless energy to the rainforest canopy. Hanging almost motionless from a thick branch, a different kind of tree dweller embodies tranquility. A sleepy sloth, perfectly camouflaged against the bark, moves with a deliberate, dreamlike slowness. This unhurried lifestyle is its greatest defense, making it nearly invisible to predators. Spending most of its life upside down, munching on leaves, the sloth is a master of energy conservation, a living reminder that not everything in life needs to be a race. It is the calm, quiet heart of the bustling treetops. Let's descend to the forest floor, a world of shadows and secrets. Here, a tiny, vibrant gem hops between the giant roots of ancient trees. The poison dart frog, though small, is a spectacle of brilliant color. Its dazzling skin, in shades of electric blue, fiery orange, and sunny yellow, serves as a bold warning to anyone who might think of it as a snack. These little amphibians thrive in damp, mossy places, and after a cleansing rain, their soft, chirping songs join the chorus of the forest. Padding silently through this dimly lit undergrowth is the true master of stealth, the jaguar. Its magnificent coat, a canvas of golden fur dotted with black rosettes, allows it to melt into the dappled light and shadows. It moves with a powerful grace, each step placed with absolute precision. As the apex predator of this realm, the jaguar is a symbol of strength and solitude, a patient hunter that embodies the wild, untamed spirit of the rainforest. The lifeblood of the forest flows through its winding rivers and streams. In the clear, cool water, sleek fish dart and shimmer, Turtles bask lazily on sun-warmed rocks along the banks, soaking in the heat. And just beneath the surface, a crocodile floats, motionless, its ancient eyes watchful, perfectly disguised as a floating log. These waterways are bustling highways of activity, teeming with creatures that depend on the constant flow of fresh water for their survival. Everywhere you look, the air hums with the buzz of countless insects. Butterflies with wings like stained glass windows flutter through shafts of sunlight, sipping nectar from exotic flowers. Armies of ants march in organized lines, carrying food many times their own weight back to their colonies. From the iridescent beetles to the delicate dragonflies, every tiny creature has a crucial role to play, whether as a pollinator, a decomposer, or a source of food for others. They are the unseen workforce that keeps the entire ecosystem running. As the afternoon progresses, heavy grey clouds gather and a gentle rain begins to fall. This is not a storm, but a life-giving shower. The rainforest eagerly drinks the water, and you can almost hear a collective sigh of relief from the thirsty plants. This constant cycle of sun and rain allows the vegetation to grow lush and strong, providing the food and shelter that all the animals depend on. The forest and its inhabitants are in a constant, beautiful dance, a perfect partnership of give and take. When the sun finally sets, the rainforest doesn't go to sleep, it transforms. A whole new cast of characters emerges to claim the night. The hoot of an owl echoes through the darkness, a signal that the nocturnal hunt has begun. The frog chorus grows louder and more complex, a mesmerizing serenade under the moon. And in the deep, inky blackness, tiny fireflies begin to glow, their blinking lights creating a magical, starry landscape right here on Earth. The rainforest is always awake, always alive, simply changing its rhythm with the turning of the planet. In this incredible place, every living thing is connected. From the tallest tree to the smallest insect, each has its purpose. The animals share the land, the water, and the canopy in a delicate balance that has been perfected over millions of years. The rainforest is a busy, beautiful, and breathtaking home where every life matters. Deep in its heart, the endless cycle of growth, movement and song continues, a powerful and vital reminder of the precious beauty our world holds. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this world as fascinating as we do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more adventures into the wild.